Yo, yo, I didn't think I was gonna take anything today. Today's Friday, but yeah, ended up taking one trade, and I like the setup overall. Today we had some news. That day we traded, I forgot to show, but all we had was the minutes, and didn't see anything yesterday on CPI. Today, waited till 9 a.m. news, and after that, uh, yeah, I really think I didn't think I was gonna take anything because I didn't see anything good, but uh, ended up taking something that I thought was a good setup and ended up getting stopped out. So let's go over our bias real quick. Took this one on NQ. Our bias today, I didn't really have. I mean, I had an idea, so I was kind of bullish today on the 4 hour. We just broke 4 hour structure yesterday, and then we were bullish on the 1 hour as well up until 8:30. This is 8:30. Yeah, 8:30. We were we were still maintaining bullish order flow. So depending on how market opened today, I was leaning towards bullish, but just I was gonna see how market played out. Um, Market open today, 11. Today's 11, 8:30. So this is market open. We had some hourly highs up here. Ended up sweeping London and Asian lows. Ended up sweeping right here. These Asian lows, these London. I had them marked out, but then I deleted it. These London lows, and yeah, I thought it was game time from there. I was locked in. All of that. I was waiting for a 5 minute retrace. Ended up still ripping, invalidating these fair value gaps. Still waiting for the retrace. We get it right here, or we get this whole move. I thought was a retrace. I just see this box is this fair value gap. Also, you can say a BPR, but this fair value gap that we were actually respecting. We were actually respecting, and that's where I based the trade on as well. I marked out equilibrium from this low to this high. Come into equilibrium. It might be kind of hard to see what's going on right now, but yeah. By the way, I got a new chair. It's hella comfy, but besides the point, besides that, yeah, we're respecting this. I scaled down, seeing if we can get a reaction, an entry of any sort, of some sort. I mean, ES was kind of the same today. It, we could have literally took this on either index. We can go on a 5 minute retrace into equilibrium. We were respecting this bullish imbalance. So I mean, it's literally could have picked either or, but here we go. We were in a bearish trend on the 5 minute, and on the 15 minute we did break 15 minute structure. But I mean, after sweeping and taking out a key level like these London and Asian lows, I mean that didn't really bother me, and I was really just looking for. I mean, this was like perfect. We have a retracement, and then within equilibrium, we have this fair value gap we can target to bounce off of. And yeah, scale down this trade. Took it based on this IFVG, and then I was waiting for fair value gap entry. Got a fair value gap filled, bullish reaction. That's where my entry was. My fill was literally exactly at this point. I got a good fill. And then automatically got stopped out. Let's see if this SMT was made right here. Nah, no SMT, but like, this is literally the same chart. I don't know why. So what I was explaining, I think it still was the same. Yeah, we were expecting this bullish fair value gap, and yeah, it came into equilibrium as well. Literally a toss up if I wanted to take it on either index. Same situation on ES. We invalidate this, I guess, and then with that candle break structure, waited for fair value gap to get filled, entry right here, and then another. Then again, what is this? The third trade in a row. Third trade in a row. Our entry point is the perfect entry to go the opposite direction. I mean, when I got stopped out, I just kind of laughed and kind of smirked. It's just like, I really want to know, am I doing something wrong? I asked myself, do I need help? Do I need to get a mentor? Is it time to get a mentor? Because I feel like I have all the tools needed. Genuinely, I feel like I have the psychology down, the risk management, and the edge. Um, Maybe a month or two ago, the edge was I was kind of pattern trading. I didn't even realize it, but looking back on it and watching a lot of videos of people giving advice, I didn't notice, but I was literally pattern trading, just seeing any IFVG and entering. If we got a little sweep, like a 1 minute, based on like a 1 minute sweep. And now what I'm doing now actually makes sense. We're sweeping high time frame liquidity. We're looking for, we're not jumping the gun right away. We're looking for a retracement, and then we're looking for even more confirmation to enter, like a break of structure and then a fair value gap. And I really don't know. I feel like I do have all the tools needed, but it's just hard to believe that when the results are not what I want, and also the results are, you know, not the right ones. I'm getting results, but the complete opposite of what I intended and want. So now we're on a 3 trade losing streak. Literally like what, $600-ish. So that's a bad number. $600 from blowing another funded, and I really don't know what to tell you, man. I really feel like, okay, this trade was bad, but like from the start of this whole month, I feel like I've taken great trades because this was a great trade, this was a great trade, great trade, great trade. And these trades ended up stopping us out, hitting take profit, stopping us out, hitting take profit. And I'm honestly hoping we get stopped out and hit take profit because our whole bias was right. It's just, I mean, do we need to put our stops very steep like this? Because we came in to retrace this fair value gap, and then we ended up going our way. I mean, I don't know, but I mean, I thought this trade was great, and it's playing out now, and I'm not tripping about it. But it's like, damn, like, am I gonna catch a break? But I feel like I have all the tools, especially psychology, because you know this feeling is horrible. This sucks. I hate it, especially just losing in general. But like doing the right thing and just losing, it's horrible. But the thing is, I don't let it get to me. I don't let it affect my actions, at least. It's one thing to control your emotions. That's hard, but to let it control your actions, because thoughts lead to feelings, feelings lead to actions, and actions lead to results. And so I don't let those bad emotions and feelings affect me and make me do bad actions, like over trading, over leveraging, whatever it is. But put the stop loss back. Okay, let's go over the take profits and stop loss. So like I said, trade was based on IFVG, fair value gap right here, and bullish reaction. But stop loss was right here. What was our trade based on? This fair value gap, which was this first candle that made the fair value gap. That was a mistake I learned in previous, and yeah, so we learned from that mistake and we put it there. Still got stopped out. Take profits. This was based on a Fibonacci tool. That was my first TP, and this is second TP. So, and damn. Three straight trades in a row where we get stopped out, and ends up hitting TP. Wow! Look at this. TP1 was based on just this. That would have been. I like to use this tool, and it'd been a 1 to 1.2, and then right here would have been TP2, TP3. We're at these hourly highs. Could have had extendo take profits, but I didn't have enough contracts for all that. And honestly, I wouldn't even have enough contracts for this. I just put it there just in case. But I went in with 3. Yeah, just 3. Risked it about like 450 today, or I guess 460, whatever. And bro, I think it was yesterday morning before market open. Like, I don't know what made me think of this, but like, I guess it's just random thought in my head. But in previous videos, I was like saying I can't take profits at half of my contracts or 50%. Like, let's say if I had 2 contracts, I couldn't take one off and put stops at break even, because if stops hit break even, I would end the day P&L wise break even like 0. But like, I try to explain myself. I literally said mathematically it isn't and then I thought to myself and I did the math, like literally did the math. Like, if I took, like, let's say I've had 4 contracts in this trade. If I took 2 off right here and put stops at break even, like, I literally end the day green. Like, even if price ends up hitting break even, I'm still up on the day. I don't know why I thought, like, it made me feel so slow and dumb. I don't want to say that. I don't want to tell myself, speak myself that low. But like, I was like, what the hell? I'm glad I don't know what it was, but I guess God or the universe, God just literally like put it on my head, like, so I'm glad, like, I'm learning every day. And yeah, I don't know what made me think of that or what, but yeah. But this is why I like using this Fibonacci too. Like, come on, like, it comes in and sweep this level and then like reacts off of it. It could just end up coming back up, but like, come on, is that like, if it works, I'm gonna keep doing it. And also, it doesn't hit this, like, maybe you had take profits right here, because this, dude, when it's not even news, it's just a 10 a.m. candle, but I just see price do this all the time, or from time to time, just like Drake candle randomly, like based on nothing, just a Drake candle out of nowhere. But like I said, like, I'm kind of close to the mic. Let's say you had it right here, it still wouldn't have gotten hit. But I don't know. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Like this, I like this tool, so I'm gonna keep doing it. Anything I want to say? Not really. I kind of just got everything out, everything I needed to. But yeah, bro. Like, I don't know if I said this in the last video, but I'm looking for drawing towards more like lower RR, higher win rate. And right now, I have a low RR and low win rate. So, that's that. But yeah, this is trying to go for like close, like 1-to-1s, like even, or close to 1-to-1s. And so this point would be a 1-to-2, 1-to-1.2, whatever. Moves to outside break even. Green on the day. Like literally, it just sucks. What do I even name this video? Same thing. Take profit gets hit at their stop loss. Who knows? Maybe this ends up hitting all our TPs or what, but I don't really have anything else to say. It's Friday. Going into the weekend. I don't know, man. I really don't. Federal Chairman Powell speaks on Wednesday. Nothing really going on next week, and then next week, oh, I thought it was FOMC. FOMC is during finals week. Bro, I'm so close to dropping out. But like, it doesn't help when I just keep failing and not seeing the results I want in this, like summer's coming up, so that's where we're really gonna, I feel like it can only go up from there. And also, yeah, actually I'm not gonna get into it. It's just this video's long, so I'm gonna go work out. I got some, yeah, just I'm gonna work out, go on with my day, not dwell on this like all the time. Like every loss I take, can't dwell on it. Learn from it, come back from it, and yeah, very unfortunate. But what are you gonna do? I wonder how many times I've said that after losses. So yeah, goodbye.